If you've ever designed a course, you've likely heard of the ADDIE model, the gold standard in instructional design. But why is it so important? ADDIE is a step-by-step framework that ensures your learning experiences are structured, effective, and engaging. Think of ADDIE as a blueprint for course creation. It guides you through analysis, understanding learners' needs; design, mapping out course objectives; development, creating content and materials; implementation, delivering the course; evaluation, measuring success and making improvements. All right, let's break it down phase by phase. Analysis. Who are your learners? What do they need to know? Gathering data through surveys or research helps you design a targeted learning experience. Design. This is where the magic begins. You map out objectives, select content formats, and structure assessments to create a logical flow for learning. Development. Time to bring your course to life. Whether it's videos, quizzes, or interactive modules, this phase is all about crafting engaging materials. Implementation. Your course is ready. Now, you deliver it to learners, ensure accessibility, and provide support for a seamless learning experience. Evaluation. Did it work? Collect feedback, track learner performance, and refine your course for continuous improvement. To make ADDIE work for you, consider these best practices. For analysis, ask the right questions. What are learners' challenges? What skills do they need? For design, use Bloom's taxonomy to create clear, measurable objectives. For development, keep it engaging. Use videos, simulations, and real-world scenarios. For implementation, provide learners with tech support and clear instructions to ensure a smooth experience. For evaluation, don't wait until the end. Gather feedback throughout the course and adjust as needed. ADDIE isn't just a checklist. It's a flexible, iterative process that adapts to any project. Whether you're designing a corporate training, an academic course, or an online workshop, this model ensures structure and success. Remember, great instructional design isn't just about delivering content. It's about creating meaningful learning experiences that make an impact. Now it's your turn. How will you apply ADDIE to your next instructional design project? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to simplify your creativity and innovations.